Hey guys, welcome to Investment Futures. This channel is dedicated to all of you bulls out there wanting to make some serious cash by investing in the future of technology and disruption. The market's been crazy right now, and we're experiencing a lot of market volatility due to rising bond yields and inflation. So I'm going to cover a stock today that I think can outperform this volatility with an aggressive personal 4 times price target, and Wall Street also thinks it can 6x within the next 12 months. This stock has a few major catalysts coming up in the next couple of months, which could send the stock price absolutely flying. But before we dive into this pick, I do need to mention I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do encourage you to do your own research and due diligence before investing in these picks. The stock I'm picking today is a company called BioLineRx, or stock ticker BLRX. At the time of recording of this video, BLRX was at just $3.09. So if you haven't already heard of BLRX, they're a clinical stage biopharmaceutical development company that focuses purely on oncology. They have 3 clinical stage therapeutic candidates right now, which I'll be talking about in just a second. So why are BLRX different from all these other biopharmaceutical companies? I'll tell you why. It's not often that Wall Street backs biopharmaceutical companies, but with over 4 different analysts giving this an average price target within the next 12 months of $12.33 and a high of $22, this gives us all a strong grounding that this can at least 4x within the next 12 months. This also gives us a strong indication that Wall Street firmly believes that BLRX will get FDA approval for their clinical trials moving forward, giving us strong catalysts in the coming months. But you need to understand what BLRX are doing right now before you actually invest in the company. So at the moment they're in an accelerated phase 3 clinical trial for a cancer immunotherapy treatment. BLRX has already posted positive results from their clinical trials, proving that their therapeutic has had positive results to the exposure of tumours to chemotherapy. Or put simply, the therapeutic that they're developing allows chemotherapy to be more effective, resulting in less deaths from tumour-oriented cancer diseases. This therapeutic is extremely disruptive in this space and has proved particularly prominent in tackling pancreatic cancer. With around about 7% of all cancer deaths coming from pancreatic cancer, the opportunity for this therapeutic is global and huge domestically. I'm expecting FDA approval for this therapeutic in the upcoming months, which could send the stock to around about the $7 mark. Alongside this, they also have 2 other late-stage clinical trials with massive market penetration potential. Now, do the big dogs believe in this stock? For sure they do. If we have a look at the institutional holdings for this stock, we can see that both huge investment funds, Morgan Stanley and Renaissance Technologies, own over 1.1 million shares of this company. Not only that, BLRX has been fighting a lot of market volatility during the market correction, only seeing around about a 7% drop last week of its stock price, whilst a lot of penny stocks were seeing around about a correction of 20%. This strength is also a clear indicator of the positive volumes of this company moving forward. I also want to talk about the risks of investing in this company. However, if you are here just to hear my pick and price targets, then just stay here for another minute and you'll hear that now. I don't currently own shares of this company, however I will be looking to buy the stock at a price I like, and I'll also be telling you how long I'll be holding this for. So within the next 2 months I can see this stock heading to around about the $6 mark, and within 6 months I can also see this sitting around about $7.50. Within 12 months I can see this stock getting around about a price of $11. But bear in mind, this is all in line with them reaching FDA approval for all 3 of their current clinical trials. I'll be looking for a strike price to own this business around about 4,000 shares between the $3 to $3.4 mark during market stability. But don't get confused, there are risks to investing in BLRX right now, and you need to have a look at this before investing. BLRX recently reported that they missed earning expectations in Q4 of 2020 at minus $0.6 per share. Biopharmaceutical companies are notorious for burning through huge amounts of cash and paying their C-suite executives extortionate paychecks at the end of the year. As much as I am bullish on this company, you must remember biopharmaceutical companies are purely valued off the basis of the success of their clinical trials. So expect this stock to plummet if their clinical trials do fail and they don't get FDA approval. So I highly suggest that you set stop losses when investing in these type of share options. Thank you for listening, guys. I hope you learned something. If you did, please subscribe and turn your notification bells on so you can get notified when I'm releasing my picks instantly. I would also like to know what you guys think of my pick, BRRX, down in the comment section. Now remember, guys, it's not funny when you're not making money. Invest in your future today. Talk to you soon, guys. Thank you.